This is the 4th grade Spanish numbers 1 through 1 million unit. So, as we learned in 4th grade, when we're dealing with numbers, it's important to memorize our numbers 1 through 15. We need to know those in and out of order. And to also know our decades, the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. So, the numbers 1 through 15 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And our decade numbers, counting by tens, are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So when we're saying a number with two places, 2 digits, we say the tens place, then we say y, meaning and then the ones place. So for example, the number 16, in the tens place we have a 1, which represents the number 10, 10, y. In the ones place, we have the number 6, 6. So the number 16 in Spanish is 10 y 6. If we take the number 35, in the tens place, we have a 3 representing 30, 30. Y, in the ones place, we have a 5, 5. So the number 35 in Spanish is 35. We move on to the hundreds. Now the hundreds are a little more simple because we're essentially counting the number of hundreds we have in our number. So the number 100 is 100, but anything we have over 100 we say ciento. So for example, 101 is 101. So, we're counting the number of cientos. In 200, we have 2 hundreds, 200. So 200 is 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, and 1000 is 1000. So when we're saying a 3-digit number, we say what's in the hundreds place, tens place, y, ones place. So for example, in the number 345. In the hundreds place, we have a 3 representing 300, which is 300. In the tens place, we have a 4 representing the number 40, 40. Y, in the ones place, we have a 5, 5. So 345 would be 345. And finally, the thousands. Now, the thousands are probably the simplest so far because we just say however many thousands, 1000, we have. So 1000 is 1000. 2000, 2000. 3000, 3000. 4000, 4000. 5000, 5000. And so on, going up to 999,000. So for example, 15,000 would be 15,000, and 100,000 would be 100,000. So when we're reading a number that has thousands, we say what's in the thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, y, ones place. So if we were to take, for example, the number 2,345, In the thousands place, we have a 2 representing 2,000, 2,000. In the hundreds place, we have a 3 representing the number 300, 300. In the tens place, we have the number 4 representing 40, 40. And in the ones place, we have a 5, 5. So 2,345 is 2,345. We do this for years as well. Rather than saying 2015 or 1999, we say the entire number. So the year 2015 or 2015 would be 2015. So if we were to take an important date such as 1776, we would say 1776, or essentially 1776.